Okay, this video I just wanted to make and show that the difference between these RJ45 connectors. Specifically these two, we have our pass-through connector. I'm not sure if you can tell in the video, but you can see all the way through it. Compared to this one, it's closed up in there. It's not a pass-through, it's just a regular RJ45 connector. If you're used to these, you can do any, but if you're used to the pass-throughs, it's gonna be a little difficult for you to do this one if you haven't already. So I always love doing these because then, like I said, it's just easier to do any other one. So I'm gonna show you the difference in that, which one's easier. But if you're used to it already, they're both pretty easy. Always cut the excess off because you're not sure if you actually stripped it when you took off the jacket. We got brown, or orange, and then this here. So I'm gonna do the pass-through first. These, I always like to just make them a little longer. Because it doesn't really matter how long you do them. Always have this little switch, little thing here facing away from you. Little toggle. And then put it in. So there you have it. And now you can see you got your white, solid, white, solid, white, solid, white, solid. And I don't have the correct crimper for this one. It's in my car that cuts the actual pass-throughs. This is just the crimper for the regular connector. So, but that's exactly how it would look without crimping it. And then once you do crimp it, all of these just get cut and you're good to go. Okay, I'll show you the difference on this one. Always make a little hole in the middle before I actually stick this in there because I don't want to hurt the cable on accident. Okay, I always just leave like maybe a little pinch. Cut the excess off. You don't want to let go of it or else it'll unbunch itself and you'll have problems. And there you have it. Well, just the little differences of it. And then finalize it. There's a little handy dandy crimper. And you're good to go. And that's basically the difference between them. So you're able to crimp it, nothing came out of here, but you still want that jacket inside the connector, as well as you can see both of these. Not sure if you can see it in the video. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show. Thanks.